Good morning, my dear students. Today we're discussing about very important examination point of view topic that is called CSS. So we can't expecting the WT question paper without this topic and without this question. So please put a maximum focus on this topic, ma. Yes, we know. In the previous classes, we already discussed about this topic. You have some small experience about this topic, I think. If you want to create the web page or website, your own website, college website, your personal website, anyway, your aim is to design the website. Means, first of all, you want to learn something about HTML. HTML is a good platform to provide or represent various types of web pages. Web page is a one small area to represent whatever you want, whatever you feel, and whatever you represent on the page. We know every content in the web page will be built by or controlled by various tags in the HTML. Means, if you want to include the content in the web page by using the HTML tags are possible. HTML attributes are possible. HTML components are possible. HTML elements are possible. But we want to include various features into the web page. We want to convert attractive web page, designed web page, diagrammatical web page, pictographical web page, various frames included in the web page. Everything will be controlled by, maintained by a special factor is called as CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. When you carefully observe this title, the middle part is called as backbone to maintain the designed web pages. Means, if you want to design the particular various design formats, font sizes, font styles, image styles, background styles, color application, color modification, everything will be taken by the particular word is called style. The style will be given by a main factor is called as CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. Today, we're discussing about very briefly about this topic. I repeat my words, ma. It is a compulsory 99.9% chance in the examination point of view. Listen carefully. If it's not possible to understand, take a number of reviews about this video classes when you feel free and cool. Now, before going to next slide, I am simply taking for example, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Style means we can apply various types is there. Here, your mind think about style, normal page, styled page. Very careful is there. Web page will be converted into two types, normal web page and designed web page. Normal web page only having the content with help of HTML tags are possible, but designed web pages always taken by the some kind of modifications, some kind of extra applications, some kind of advanced applications. Means you have to convert the looking style of the normal to design mode, normal to styled mode, normal to interactive mode. Clear no? Means you have to change something. Is clear no? So this is called as how to apply a style format into the web page. I am writing here with the CSS. You means you, me, and all those who are maintain the website, those who are maintain the web pages, those are called as you can control the color. So if you want to change one color to another, blank color to apply the color, means you should apply the color to the content, font, paragraphs, headings, body section, and background of the web page. You should apply the various font styles. You should apply the size of the text, maximum, minimum, the spacing between the elements. You should apply the spacing, big space, low space. Then how elements are positioned and laid out. So I am simply apply the positioning the content from upper side, lower side, left side, right side. Everything is possible. Then what background images or background colors are to be used? At background, you should apply which kind of images are possible here and which kind of color is possible to apply here. Everything will be taken by a special factor is called CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. But this total will be displayed for different devices. Yes, we can see our website, design website in our mobile phones, in our desktop, in our laptops, in our tablets, everything is possible. So mobile size, screen size is compared to laptop is small, but you can appear whatever you want to see. Clear no? Then I'm writing here, CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or other media. So whatever represent in the screen, that only is possible electronic way. Same information like a displayed on the paper, through printout, through printer is also possible to paper and other media. Everything is possible. CSS saves a lot of work. Yes, within short time, we should apply a syntax to the content. Automatically, you should convert the colors, backgrounds, images, everything will be done within seconds. I'm writing here, CSS saves a lot of work. But in the MS Word, after typing the information, if you want to apply the color means you go to color section in the taskbar. In the menu bar, after menu bar, toolbar is there, no? Status toolbar is there, no? You go to status toolbar, then apply the color. That is a part of MS Word. But in the CSS, we can't follow any kind of applications. Just you go to CSS location, then apply the tags, then you should maintain the whatever you want. It's clear, no? So I'm writing here CSS saves a lot of work. I don't know. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. You know, collection of web pages is called as a website. At a time, we have to apply the various styles, designs, and various type of style formats, whatever you feel, whatever you represent, that only taken by the CSS is there, no? CSS is the language we use to style a web page. It is not a software. It is called as a language. Why? Because in the particular web page, you should apply the content. The content may be numerical, diagrammatical, pictographical, and text format, depend on you. Means our data will be represented into various formation. That kind of formation is taken as a language. At a time, numerical possible, text possible, diagrammatical possible. So CSS is called as a language we use to style a web page. Then this is one of the important interview question in your future. This is called as structure, a syntax of the CSS. I have to write here the syntax of the CSS will be divided into two parts. One is called selector, another is called declaration. Selector and declaration. So left side part is called selector. Means what? Sir, I want to apply my font color or background color in the heading, for example. You should select the particular area in the web page. Then how do you modify? So in the declaration, I am simply go to here. It is called as property. So in the declaration, we also divide into two parts are there. That is called, one is the property, another is called value. So the combination of property and value is called as declaration, is the right part of the CSS. And this totally combined is called as the structure or syntax of the CSS is there. But in the every declaration, every property will be divided into or separated by a symbol is called semicolon. For example, in the selector, I am taking heading. In the heading or in the head portion, in the head content, I want to apply the blue color in the head. Then you go to color, colon, blue. Means property is called color, value is called blue. Is clear now? Then semicolon means what? The font color blue is successfully applied. Then you go to font size, colon, 12 pixel, means size is called 12 size. Size is called 14. Size is called 16. Depend on your choice. I can simply apply here. This is called color application. This is called font size application. But this kind of application is taken by the special portion is called declaration. Is called declaration. But declaration is called combination of property and value is there. Is clear now? But these declaration will be captured by the parenthesis symbols. This is called flower brackets. Is called flower brackets. The selector points to the HTML element you want to style. The selector points to the HTML element you want to style. It's clear now. For example, I am taking body is there or paragraph is there. P1 means in the portion of the paragraph, you should apply, take some kind of modification is called as selector. It's clear now. And the meaning ఏంటండి ఇక్కడ మీరు వెబ్ పేజ్ లో ఏ పోర్షన్ లో మీరు స్టైల్స్ అప్లై చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, ఏ పోర్షన్ లో మీరు మోడిఫై చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. సో దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మోడిఫికేషన్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ బై ద పర్టికులర్ లొకేషన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సెలెక్టర్. ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ నౌ. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ ద లొకేషన్, దెన్ టేక్ ద మోడిఫికేషన్. Take the selection of the area, then you go to modification. These modification is called as declaration. Is clear, no? But this total is called as the syntax and structure of CSS. I am writing here the declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Not only two, not only three, you can apply the multi directions, multi styles. How many you want, how much you expected, that only simply applied. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and value, and separated by the colon. So each property and value will be separated by a separate symbol is called as colon. Multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolons. The multiple properties or declarations will be separated by the semicolon symbol, and declaration blocks are surrounded by curly braces. These called curly braces. These are also called as flower brackets are there. So you can simply read as curly braces. It's clear now. In the next slide, I'm taking here very, very important short type question mark. Types of CSS. Types of is clear now. The cascading style sheet is a language used to style web pages that contain HTML elements. Defining how elements are displayed on web pages. CSS is only responsible to display the particular elements of the HTML on the web pages, including layout, colors, fonts, other properties of the elements on the web page. Just I explained whatever it may be. CSS works by targeting HTML elements and applying style rules to define how they should be displayed. Left corner, right corner, middle, alignment, everything is possible. You should apply the modify the header, header, body. Every kind of content is possible to modify, including properties like a color, size, layout, and positioning. That is called layout is there, no? Everything is taken by the special factor is called as CSS is there. But this kind of modification is taken by three types of cascading style sheets. Three types. Number one, inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Very careful, observe here, inline, internal, and external is there. When I'm going to next is there, for example, I'm explaining the next slide, come to the back here for more clarification. I am taking here, inline CSS, I am taking here. It is a method of applying styling directly to individual HTML elements using style attribute within the HTML tag. ఒక పర్టికులర్ HTML tag లో కనుక మనం మోడిఫై చేయాలనుకుంటే ఇన్లైన్ CSS. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇందాక ఏం చెప్పానండి, కమ్ టు హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్. These call for example one HTML element అనుకుందామండి. Yes or no? But this is example. In this example, I want to apply here in the heading part. I want to apply the font color is called blue. The font size is called 12. It's clear now. But I am taking only in the heading part. HTML web page లో ఈ HTML డాక్యుమెంట్ లో మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, ఒకే ఒక లైన్ ని, ఒక హెడ్డింగ్ ని, ఒక పోర్షన్ ని, ఒక ఏరియాని మాత్రమే మీరు మాడిఫై చేస్తున్నారు. ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ నో. వేర్ యూ షుడ్ అప్లై ద మోడిఫికేషన్ టు ద పర్టికులర్ area in the web page, that is called inline CSS. That is called inline CSS. For example, you should take modification entire HTML document, That is called internal CSS. Listen carefully here, ma. When you should modify the particular line, particular HTML element in the HTML document, it is called inline CSS. If you want to modify entire document of the HTML, is called internal CSS. But what is external CSS? Means in the same web page, if you want to add another web page, another style format, that time you should take the external CSS. I am writing here. What I'm writing here? Inline means what? It is a method of applying the styling directly to the individual HTML elements using the style attribute within the HTML tag. Internal means what? Is defined within the HTML documents, not HTML element. Very carefully then. HTML element ki, HTML documents ki chala difference undandi. HTML element nothing but particular area of the document. HTML document means what? Entire area of the HTML. I am writing here in the HTML document using the style tag, you should take the modification. It is the internal, but I am taking external nothing but contains separate CSS files that contain only style properties with help of tag attributes. For example, class, ID, heading, that like is there. But listen carefully here. External means what? Defaulted web page lo kanaka మీరు modify చేస్తూ additional CSS file ni ganaka include చేస్తే you should apply additional CSS file. That time you should simply follow the extension file is called .css extension. But the external modification is taken by the special tag is called link tag. It is called link tag. చూస్తారండి? So HTML document lo particular area ni matram modify చేస్తే inline CSS. Entire document ni ganaka modify చేస్తే internal CSS. Internal document ni modify చేస్తూ additional గా ఇంకొక CSS file ని ganaka add చేస్తే modify చేస్తే it is called external CSS. But condition is what there? Here you should only modify the particular area with the style like a font కావచ్చు, background కావచ్చు, color కావచ్చు, image కావచ్చు, everything is there. I am writing here particular style. Your style means maybe color, image, diagram, frames, forms, font size, font styles, that's all. Here, the second one I am taking style tag. Compulsory. You should apply the style tag, then modify the entire document. Here, by using the link tag, you should take existing web page undali, additional ga inkoka web page undali. Ala undali ante manaku link up ayi undali. Is clear no? The link up is taken by the special tag is called link tag. Is clear no? So these are called as types of CSS. Then come to here advantages. Meeku last 2 times adagandi for 5 marks. Write the merits of CSS annadu. So be careful about this slide. So I am taking here in the first merit, one of the most significant advantages of CSS is its ability to separate content from presentation. Separate content. In the particular web page, you simply separate the content. What is the numerical content? What is the diagrammatical content? What is the pictographical content? What is the text content. Everything will be separated by that CSS. You can include number of formats, but you simply separate by the CSS. It's clear. So CSS enables consistent styling across an entire website or multiple websites, web pages. So you can styling the multiple web pages or entire website at a time or different time. With the CSS, you can create various web designs and different screen size and devices. Just I told, we can apply the various type of designs, various screen sizes, various devices, everything is possible. Modifying the appearance of a website is more flexible with the CSS. One of the important merit of the CSS. Modifying the appearance means it is possible to see, it's possible to observe. Appearance of website is more flexible. So how do you want to modify? How do you expect that like only you simply molding the website is there? The flexibility is taken by the CSS. So CSS can be used to create printer-friendly versions of web pages. So after creation of web pages, you can simply take the printout, whatever you want. That is a printer-friendly website design taken by the one factor is called CSS. When you need to update the style of your website, you can make the changes in one central CSS file. By using the central CSS file, you can modify anything, any content, any area, any kind of location in the particular web page or website by using CSS. CSS allows for animations, graphics to enhancing the user experience. You can include, you can mold, you can modify the animated pictures, animated diagrams, graphical pictures, everything will be possible to modify in the particular website or web page. But these are called as some merits of CSS. So this is small information about what is the CSS, what is the properties of the CSS, what is structure of CSS, and what is the types of CSS, and what is the merits of CSS. So this topic include 10 marks plus 5 marks, 15 marks in your packet. So please be careful. Take a number of reviews up to you realize. After you realize, please write this topic in your notebook. I hope all of you gathered the valuable information from this class and my explanation. Thank you. Thank you very much.